What is aperture in photography? Aperture refers to the opening of a lens that allows light to pass through and reach the image sensor to make an image. The lens diaphragm controls the aperture size or diameter, similar to the pupil of an eye. Furthermore, lens aperture sizes are represented by an aperture stop, often called the f number or f-stop. This unique number represents the ratio between the lens focal length and the aperture diameter. For example, a lens with a focal length of 50 millimeters and a diameter of 25 millimeters represents an f number of 2. It's important to note that f numbers don't have units. They represent a fraction. More importantly, the f number inversely represents the size of the aperture opening, meaning f2 has a larger aperture diameter than f16. A larger aperture allows more light to reach the image sensor. And one last thing, the aperture diameter and f number ratio are often used interchangeably when speaking of aperture size. You just learned what aperture is in photography in 100 seconds.